Maya.
It's okay, Riley. I'm unaffected by Maya's views of country life. As my Uncle Buster always says, be like an eagle and soar above the mockingbird.
You're the mockingbird.
I know.
Hi, I'm Maya. It kills me that I can't get to you.
Sorry, ma'am.
You're not playing this right.
Oh, well, that's certainly not my intention.
Will we bend? Or will we open up and take this whole thing in?
Hey, other one?
You want to go out with me?
What?
You want to take me to a movie and put our hands in the popcorn at the same time and see what happens or what?
Smiles don't fade. And you don't even wonder why. You just don't think that
I finally like you. Riley, something happened between me and Lucas.
can't stay here. Maybe we just had enough. Well, maybe we ain't meant for this love. You and me.
That's all you have to do, Lucas. You hear me? I just called you by your actual name for the first time ever.
Man, this life seems hard enough. Well, maybe we ain't meant for this love. Take my hand, and I will lead you through the broken promised land. Yes, I can, oh yes, I can. I can be there when you need it. I'll get it all till you can't feel it anymore. I don't wanna love you now if you just leave someday. I don't wanna turn around if you just walk away. Maybe you and me got lost somewhere. We can't move on, we can't stay here. Or maybe we've just had enough. Well, maybe we ain't meant for this love. You and me.
Now they're just looking at each other, not saying nothing.